4 gold miners in Kuria, Migori County died after suffocating inside one of the mines after it caved in on them late on Friday evening. The incident just weeks after another miner died in the mining fields in Kuria West district now raises concerns about the safety of gold miners in the county.
Belongings of the now deceased miners strewn just a few meters from this cave in which 4 miners suffocated to death when a well caved in on them in Kuria, Migori County. This is the second tragedy to occur in the mining wells in just 1 month in the area.
On 1st of this month, we also lost a life in the same holes at Komasimo. I want to say that the methodology that is being used in the mining sector is very poor.
The incident shocking residents of the otherwise sleepy village of Karos in Kuria West district.
Nilipotoka nikaenda Kihanja, kaenda kufanya simu yangu. Karudi marafiki yangu wamefariki kutoka kwa shimo.
It is suspected that the deaths were triggered by the fumes from the generator that the miners were draw water as part of the process of mining gold.
Hii mgodi unatufaidi sana. Tumbaku imefungwa sasa hivi, hakuna wananchi ambao wanalima tumbaku. Wanasimamia hii mgodi mdogo mdogo. Na hii mgodi mdogo mdogo tunafanya kazi kwa kujituma tupate chakula, watoto wetu wafanye nini, wakule.
Timothy Otieno, KTN News.